Here's how to increase music time on Snapchat photo. So before diving to the video, here's something you should know. On Snapchat photo, you can add music, but the song preview will only play for up to 10 seconds because photos are displayed for a limited time. There's no built-in way to make music play longer on a still photo since Snapchat photo snaps are time limited. But here's something what you can do. Just download any video editing software on your smartphone like CapCut, InShot, VN Editor and import the photo into the video editing software and increase its time limit to whatever you desire like 20 second, 30 second or 60 second. After exporting the video from the video editing software, import the video to Snapchat and send it to wherever you want. And that's how you can increase music time on Snapchat photo. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.